Yo, morning guys. All right, today I'm gonna be attempting to learn a dream trick of mine, which is nollie big spin hard flip to nose pick. I've been obsessed with nollie hard flip, late 180s, whatever you wanna call it, nollie big spin hard flip, since I was very young. The second I was able to do it, I was like always doing it on the hip, or I tried to do it off stairs even. Just a trick I always thought was really cool. And I could never do it on mini ramp. Like anything like that, it was just not even close. Recently, I learned nollie hard flip nose stall, and that kind of opened things up a little bit. I kicked a few around, a couple different days. Seemed kind of possible, but also seemed like maybe not possible. Like I would just try it forever and not really, like it's one of those tricks where you can get kind of close, but when you actually try it, it's nowhere near. So I haven't really messed around with this too much. This is like the early stages. I'm just gonna see kind of where I'm at with it. So see if we can get one. Wish me luck. Oh my God. All right. Takes so much effort. See, when I don't commit, I can kind of get the rotation. Sticking it, different story. Really tough to stay over this one. That one actually felt pretty good. Would be so hyped if I got this one. I need to get 2 feet on it just to find out if it's even like really possible. Oh, I could do it. I could definitely do it. Didn't get 2 feet on, but I felt it. Nope. That was it. Oh, it's going down. We're in the vicinity. Oh. So this trick is all flicking foot. You gotta keep it low so it flicks fast and kind of can get out of the way. You're not really extending much. You're doing like a quicker, tighter motion. Also, that quick flick is throwing the board to help it rotate. It's not really like your back foot that's popping to make that big spin kind of motion. It's more your flicking foot that's throwing it around. So yeah, that's definitely helping. Oh my God. I think I have to do what I was just saying, but even more. A little less pop, faster flick. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I literally can't even believe I'm getting this close. Okay. Oh. Losing it. Ooh, it's drifting away. My leg's starting to get weak. No! I'm realizing I think I have to suck my legs up and hold them there to get that little bit extra rotation. Come on. Ah! Ow! I think I landed primo. Oh. Pretty sure as the time's passing and my legs get more tired, I'm not flicking as hard as I need to down. Oh. Close. The dream isn't to land the fakie though. All right, I've been trying this one for a while. I think I'm gonna have to take a break. I pushed through so many times, I just wanted to give up, but I think I'm just not getting a good attempt in right now because I'm too sore. So I'm gonna take a break, come back later in the day and see if we can get closer. All right, I'm back. It's about an hour and a half later. Grab some food, rest the legs. Gonna give it another try. Oh! Come on. I need to make the most of these early tries while I still have the power to get it around. Not even getting close. Oh my. Yeah. That was one of the craziest slams I've taken in a while. Wow. I'm good, I think. Yeah. That was crazy. I have no idea what even happened. After that slam, even as tired as I am, I gotta take a step back. I'm just gonna practice nollie hard flip nose stalls. I've only done one of them, so just gonna try to do a couple of more and then work from that technique. Maybe I could just get it to move over slightly into nose pick, so just gonna do that for a little bit. Whew. Legs are so tired. Oh. Okay. So yeah, like even that, and when I did it the last time, it's kind of under rotating. Like I'm just getting into it like that. I need to be able to over rotate it so then I could just get that wheel up. I guess that's the reason I can't land it. Ah! Inch. It's so close. No! How do you get that close and not land it? I think it's just the shoulders problem now. Can't. Okay. Can't do it. I seriously can't believe I just landed that. I have to be honest, feels like a little bit of luck. I got up there, I got into it. I looked down in the nose pick, I was like, please don't mess this up. Can't believe I rolled in though. I thought this was gonna be like a multiple day series because it's my second session today and my legs are completely burnt, soaking wet. Yeah, I really didn't think I was gonna get it, so happy I did because I was not looking forward to just battling that trick for days. Yeah, it's definitely a weird one, a lot different than how I was doing them on a hip. You know, on the hip, you can power slide and kind of, you know, use that on your advantage. So if you don't rotate it all the way, you'll be all right. But on this, you really got to whip it around. So it's almost like a completely different technique. But yeah, ended up getting one. Leave a comment, let me know what I should learn in the next video. I'll see you guys then.